Taiwan's defense ministry said on Monday that 25 Chinese Air Force planes entered the island's air defense identification zone. The ministry mentioned that among the Chinese aircraft there were 18 fighter jets and 4 bombers. This is not the first time Taiwan reports an incident like this. Last month, Taiwan claimed that it scrambled fighter jets to fend off Chinese aircraft flying close to the island territory. 20 Chinese aircraft flew into the island's identification zone, the Taiwanese Defense Ministry reported back then. Some of the aircraft were flying by the southern end of the island through the Bashi Channel that separates Taiwan and the Philippines. China considers Taiwan as a breakaway province that should be reunified with the mainland and routinely sends its military ship and aircraft on patrols to the Taiwan Strait. Please like and subscribe to GEOPOLITIKI TV.